So now you're going to solve logistic regressions chapter number 9, and the sheet is diabetes sheet. Okay, for that you're going to need a plugin which Cyrus provided on your email, so just check it. Just go to options and just showing you how to add the plugin. Add in, go, then go to browse, and then go to your wherever you selected. I put it in documents, search documents. Okay, replace, because it keeps going, like it just keeps disappearing. Okay, now it will be seen in add-ins. So now the first step in logistic regression is select a table, then select real stats, data analytics tools, then go to regression, then go to binary logistic regression. Then over here in the output range, select an output range. I've selected OK. So cancel, we don't need this graph, delete it. Now in logistic regression, go on the right side, or you can just control F R dash SQ. This is what you have to do normally. You have to check the value of RSQ. It should be great, and it should be greater than 0.5, but so said if it doesn't come as 0.5, so just go ahead with the next step. So you can, yeah, so just, I don't know if you want to omit this step. So now you go to logistic regression, then control down, then go down, down. Now in this you have to check the p-value. The p-value is like we just changed it as I mentioned before. Go to home and comma, so you get the value. So the value has to be less than 0.05. Now there are a few values that are greater, so just select that and mark it. So you know that patent ID, skin thickness, insulin and age are greater. Now the same thing, you have to go and delete these columns from the main column. These are the main columns: patient ID, skin thickness, insulin and age. Right click, delete. Now do the step again. Select the column, go to add-ins, real stats, data analysis tools, regression, binary logistic regression. Okay, select an output range. For that you have to go till the end. I'm selecting BH. You can select whatever you want. Okay, now cancel, and we don't want this graph, so delete. So now again you can just search for that RSQ, or you just go ahead with that. As I said, it doesn't make much of a difference either way. So just go at the end of the logistic regression table. Here you check your p-values. Let's reformat it. Okay, so all the values are under 0.05. So now that gives us a chance to go and copy our table values, main table values. So we'll take the first 4 values. We don't take the outcome table in this. Okay, copy. Now go right, go to your logistic regression, the latest table. Okay, so always go at the end and then come back if you have to. Go to this table, then control N, just go down, and under this table just paste it. Okay, now you pasted the values. Now we have to find pre-pred, whatever. So for that you have to go again back to your regression table. So just control up arrow. Okay, logic regression, the latest table. This is, I have not changed anything. So just see p-pred is there over here. Okay, so just copy the first value of p-pred. Okay, I did control C. Now control down arrow, okay, down arrow, and then you come here. So this line and this the line of 6, 148, 72, 32.6 and 0.627 should be the same. Just copy it. Okay, now you have to put a if function over here. If this depends on the question, so not sure much about what question will come, but yeah, so you have to give this some constraint, and if it is true then it can be 1, if it is false, comma 0. Okay, enter. Now just drag this down and drag this down. You get your answer. So this is it. Thanks.